loud noise? Okay. We're going to install a sound system in this truck because there's only one way to check cows, and that's with the speakers thumping. So we purchased a Sound Extreme, little Bluetooth single DIN, some Boss Audio 6.5 three-way speakers. Should waken up this truck a little bit. Alright, this is what he's got currently. 2-knobber. That doesn't seem to be working at all. So it's time for an upgrade. Okay, so I'm going to start by first removing the speakers. So then that way you can get a good look at what's behind here if we have to run new wire, whatever it may be. But rip out these old junk speakers. Well, I explained why I wasn't playing for you, dude. There ain't no wires connected. Son of a bitch, I but lost the fucking screw again. That's going in the video for sure. Pretty idiot proof. You got one size that's smaller, which is going to be a ground. Then you got one size that's bigger, which is going to be the positive. Shove that in there. Line it up. Unline it up because I'm a retard. Where the fuck the screwdriver go? Oh, right there, cameraman. You need a holy shit, you need a raise. Alright. Sweet. Speaker's going, but it's kind of a pain in the ass to roll the windows up and down with these vice grips. How the hell else are you going to let anybody hear what music you're playing? So, we got new ones of those to put in too. Just line up some teeth here somewhere. Bingo. Be able to push that son of a bitch home. Alright, so whoever installed the stereo did a fantastic job, so it's like super easy to take out. You got that quick disconnect stereo up in this bitch, so I'll just start pulling the wires through, see if there's any connectors, or if somebody was somebody was a disappointment to their parents. They didn't even use an install kit. Piece of shit. Okay. Alright, now we're sitting on the fucking wire stripper. I think nope, they're about my foot. Alright, we rolling? Alright, so I found an actual aftermarket wiring harness, so I'm not taking it back the words that I've already said, but yeah, I've got it all wired up. I had to run a new constant on it because there wasn't one under the dash, but I wired one with the fuse because I'm not a fucking menace. Find the speaker plug, plug her in, plug the antenna in, put it all above the shifter, shove all this shit in here. Bob makes good ad libs for videos. Alright. This is calibrated here. This is calibrated move. Get it? Alright. Now that I think I've got it all sorted out. Pushing the fucking jumbled mess of wires. Oh yeah. Holy shit. Looks like I've done this a time or two. Now let's see if I did it right. The hell is the power line? Hey. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, it turns on.
Be right back, and I'm so chaotic, but I know that you like it. Lost my heart, but you show me how to find it. Hand on my face, and you look me
this is day 2. Had to rewire the speakers coming in because the wiring was all fucked up. But now we can check cows with some tunes. Alright, now that we got her thumping, we got one of these badass rust pit stickers we're going to install on this bad boy. Holy shit, if I can figure it out. Is the sticker too complex for Rust Pit himself? Okay. That looks good enough. Alright. Alright.